DB Sales Company, where we not only offer diesel engines, parts, and customized generator sets, we also provide information on these products to make your experience of finding and acquiring the exact right ones for you as easy as possible. The Service Replacement Engine, or SRE program, has an EPA requirement that cores be disposed of. DB Sales takes the hassle out of this for you. When purchasing an engine, you'll receive a Perkins Core Return Suggestion page. It will outline what's required on your end to prepare the core for return. DB Sales will set up freight and send a company in to pick it up for you. All you need to do is be there. We don't even collect core charges unless you haven't returned your core within 60 days for Perkins or 45 days for Yanmar. We also make warranty for your diesel engine easier. All you need to give us is your engine serial number and we'll set up your warranty for you. Then we'll provide you with all the necessary information and coverage regarding your specific engine and warranty. We hope this helped you understand more clearly exactly the diesel product or products that you've been looking for. Also, look in the description for links to all of our websites. Check out and subscribe to our channel for more educational content on diesel products from DB Sales Company. And be sure to comment below anything else you'd like to know. You can also find us on Facebook under DB Sales Company, or Twitter under Find Diesels, where you can see various products we offer and tips on those products. We'd also like for you to engage with us about your experiences in the diesel industry and how we can help you better reach the diesel products that you're looking for. We hope to hear from you soon.